Alrighty guys, so we've got a regular master lock. It says commercial duty here. Doesn't have a cylinder in it, but we're just going to be testing the bolt cutter aspect of this. We know this lock can be picked. We know it can be drilled out easily. So we're just going to see if our average run-of-the-mill hardware store bolt cutter fits. Yep. And yep. So that's how that's going to work out. For more information, check out the website below.
Wayne's Lock Shop. We strive to be the leading resource in tips, tricks, and educational videos for locksmiths. Videos are added every week on topics ranging from rekeying high security locks to marketing your locksmith business and everything in between. Safe openings, car openings, installation tool reviews, and bypass methods are all plentiful on this secure website built by and for locksmiths. If you are a locksmith and want an inexpensive resource that will prove invaluable to you and your business, then Wayne's Lock Shop is the place for you. Please sign up today at wayneslockshop.com.